forestry guys are getting started on a forestry plan for the property. Alright, I'm headed continue on the main road, and Curtis is going to go to that 30. He's going to work that Komatsu, and forestry guys are putting together a forestry plan for this property. So when the next buyer comes along, pretty much everything's going to be done. It's going to be surveyed. It's going to have a forestry plan so they can't destroy you in property taxes. It's going to have a road system, food plot openings, watering holes, all that stuff. This will be ready to roll in a very short order. All right, I changed my mind since I'm going right by it here. I'm at the home site, so I forgot we got concrete pads that I got to clean off. And then I just saw a watering hole right up here, or at least it's a spot filled with water. I'm gonna take a look at that and see what that's all about. I mean, it could just be a low spot. Yeah, this Bobcat feels like a Tonka toy compared to that Komatsu, but it is faster, so I like that. You know, spots like this with pads like already here, that's a bonus, you know, for a hunter that wants to come by this. You know, they could park a camper here. I'll probably get up there and try to scrape it with the blade. So I'm going to do this for a little bit and then figure out what my next mission is going to be. This is where a float mode for the excavator comes in handy, because right now I'm just kind of letting it float across the top. Oh, there we go. Look at all this concrete. So that cedar root ball and stump is in there, so I'm just, since I got 3 broken teeth, I'm going to use the 4th one as a picker and just try to knock it down pretty well. I don't want to run a chainsaw, you know, flush with the concrete, so I'll see if I can just beaver chip this thing out just to get it low enough where you can drive over it, because it's, I guess the good news is it's in the middle, so you can drive a whatever, camper or truck over it, or a machine. This is called the beaver move right here. You saw it here first, I bet.
All that stuff, and so it's looking pretty nice.
Good. Hey, I just turned the GoPro on, just FYI here.
Okay. Well, I'll be on the way here shortly. At least get maybe a couple hours of stuff done today.
Well, yeah, a couple hours, you'll have a lot done with that beast over there.
Exactly.
Cool. All right. Well, I'll holler at them sandwiches. If you get to lunchtime, they're in my truck.
Okay.
You just need the combination to the door, which I'll send you if you don't remember it.
That's fine. Yeah, I'll let you know. Good. We have tractor dash today. That's awesome.
I know. That's right. You could send the kids to go get our sandwiches and deliver them. That'll give them some hiking adventure, won't it?
Well, exactly. You gotta get him out of the house, get him outside. So I woke his butt up, and she's like, "That's a good day out of the house today." And our friends Tracy and Braxton's birthday, and they have no family down here, so we're gonna grill some ribs tonight for him, and so they're staying the weekend. So I'm good boy. So I said, "You come with me, do some walking,
Cool.
helping where we need it." So.
Good deal, man. Well, get them out in fresh air. Maybe they'll find a shed over here.
Exactly.
Cool.
So, all right. Well,
All right.
We'll be on our way here very soon.
All right, good luck.
All right.
All right, I'll see you. So Curtis is going to start on that 30. He's going to continue. This pad was a little bigger than I thought, which is a nice bonus, of course. Yeah, it's a little rickety and cracked up, but for a camper or mobile home or something, it'll do just fine. All right, I'm just going to clean up this field here. There's a handful of trees and autumn olives that look nice, opening it up a little. Look at this megathon here. Russian olive. It's good to be finally rolling. I'd say we pretty much beat winter, fingers crossed. Oh, wise guy. There's a look kind of at this home site clearing. Probably bring some gravel in here also. You know, make a gravel pad and then put a gravel ramp on this concrete here. Little ramp. Oh yeah, there's the other concrete. I almost forgot. All right, we'll keep rolling. Yeah, rock and roll, baby. I kind of got rabbit hole down out here in this home site, but this is going to be a beautiful field here. We'll get all the trees out, we'll get a rough grade, and then we'll be able to bush hog this nice. So it'll be day and night, you know, just from an overgrown field. It'll look pretty decent. Oh, wise guy. It'll look pretty decent when we get it fixed up. Some willows in the ground. I don't know if I have the power. Yeah, I'm definitely missing the power of that Komatsu. Oh, come on, man. Alright, I have to go get this one. And all the old barn and stuff is right here, but I know Sharon's got some stuff picked out already that she's saving, so I'll basically probably push that into just a pile at some point. You know, probably a burn pile, but I don't want to do it just yet. Wreck her stuff that she's been picking. All right, carry on. Alright, here's an after look of the home site. It's a mess. I left it a mess on purpose because we're going to have a grapple coming in. Probably a tractor grapple or my skid steer grapple. So I'm not going to waste any time trying to mess with any of this slash. But it's going to open this plot up really nicely. You know, we'll be able to get this mowed down. I mean, we might even throw a little food plot in here, being the first stop. But I'm going to keep moving now to, I'm going to work up that road, work my way to the back, and continue where Phil left off yesterday. I think those two are persimmons, so I'm going to leave them, but this will be nice and clean. Now I'm going to head up the road and see how far I can get before I give up for today. I mean, after all, it is Saturday. But Phil did a nice job here on widening it out nicely. So now I'm going to track up to an area where I'm starting a perimeter road. So I'm going to start this perimeter road. It's going to be a long way. I mean, theoretically, this perimeter road is going to be 2 miles because it's about a half mile each direction. It's a 160-acre square, which is a half mile on each of the 4 sides. But that'll probably be the next episode. Let's head over to the 30 and check in on Curtis, and also someone has a birthday over there. Let's say hi to them, and then we'll wrap it up. All right, we got a couple guests out today, Driston and Braxton, and someone has a birthday. Braxton? Oh man, how old now?
15.
15. You guys out scoping out the land today, huh?
Very pretty, very pretty.
Did you find anything cool?
A bunch of bones and like a tree was laying over us a creek. And it was nice. I climbed on top of it.
Nice property. Too bad we didn't find any sheds.
A lot of bones.
Well, they're having ribs tonight. Curtis is taking them back home, and they're going to have ribs and a little birthday celebration. Well, you guys enjoy the day. Thanks for coming out.
Yep.
Hopefully I'll see you guys again.
You too.
All right, take care. All right, let's go check in on Curtis back here. Did you guys do anything like constructive today?
Yep, we went in the very far back where the creek was.
It's pretty out there, ain't it?
Yeah.
All right, let's look at the clearing here. The first one that Curtis finished up. Oh, it's not finished yet. We're going to grade it and clean it yet, but I'm thinking maybe we make this a smidge bigger yet. And then he's cutting a new road system back here. Looks like he's come back. Perfect timing. I'm heading out and it's starting to drizzle. Yeah, fresh buck track right there. Since yesterday. Okay. probably all the way back to the property. This is the 30, and it's going to be a longer rectangle, so it goes back quite a ways. About time you show up. Oh, be careful.
Root done got me.
I just stepped in a hole. How's it going?
Coming along pretty good.
Good deal.
Got quite a bit done back there.